Welcome to Microsoft Project 2016 tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to change the start date of a project. We have our mobile reporting system project here, and our current start date is July 16, 2018. What if the project actually started on January 4, 2018? Can we just change the start date here? It turns out this is not a good idea. You can see that we have turned this final deliverable into a manually scheduled task, and this will severely impact the rest of our schedule. Let's undo this action and then click on the Project tab, and then on Project Information. A window will appear, and the first entry box here will show the current start date. Simply change it and click OK. Now you can see our change within the entry table under the project summary task, and automatic scheduling has been maintained. Okay, that is how to change the start date of a project in Microsoft Project 2016. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. This is Wang, and I'll see you in the next video.